We got a 2025 Challenger Hellcat Convertible, guys. Pretty sick. Only one in Florida as of right now. There might be a couple of them out there, but they're fake. This is a real Hellcat with a convertible rad top. Only one. And guess who's working on it? G exhaust, baby. And what are we doing? Borla Attack. Borla Attack catback, 3-inch exhaust with the valve control. Comes with attack mufflers. We're slapping some new tips on there. Dual 4-inch black powder coated tips. It's gonna be sick. Definitely a cool ass car. A 700 horsepower convertible Challenger, not made from factory. This is all custom work, guys. So we're gonna do the exhaust, show you guys this setup real quick, then drop it, show you guys the rad top because it's super pimp. So just to give you a quick rundown of the stock exhaust, rear tips. Usually the Borla system comes with the factory tips. We're changing them out for some quad 4-inch black powder coated. Stock rear mufflers in the back, completely garbage. 2.7-inch pipe, garbage again. Stock valves, garbage again. All right. Resonators in the middle, gotta get rid of those. Everybody comes in for a mid muffler delete, not doing shit for the car. We gotta get rid of that as well. The Borla catback comes in from here all the way to the back. You guys can see the stabilizer right here. It's extra beefy because it's convertible. They had to add this or else the car will fold. This car got too much damn horsepower. Talk about twisting a frame. This car will do it. It has no roof holding the structure of the body. So they built a big ass bracket here that goes all the way to the front of the car, which is kind of intense, bro. This thing's sick, actually. It goes all the way to the sides, all the way to the front, and builds a whole custom subframe underneath the mainframe. So, mainframe database, guys. Borla Attack on the Hellcat Challenger Convertible. Burt, baby. We're doing it today, so stay tuned. About to drop the system, crank this bitch, make it sound like a cat. Got the convertible Challenger all done. You guys can hear it. Sounds sick. Borla attached. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for providing the system. Customer is happy. You can't do much better than a Borla, guys. So Hellcat Challenger, wide body, not wide body, my bad, slim body, but convertible, which is sick. None of y'all got that. Who got Hellcat wide body? Convertible, nobody, because this is a slim body. So yeah, that's it. Borla attached. Shout out to you guys. And that's it, man. G exhaust, convertible Challenger, Hellcat. We out.